Welcome back to the museum at Parks Edge. This is David Maltby. In our previous demonstration, we spoke about Parks Edge having an extremely low HERS score. Well, some of you may be wondering, how do I obtain a HERS score and what can I do to lower a HERS score? Well, today I'm going to discuss just that. What we've done at Parks Edge is hired a certified third-party inspector to use a calculation to determine our HERS score. So how is it that Parks Edge has a phenomenally low HERS score of 62? Well, today I'm going to discuss just some of those components. For example, energy efficient insulation, R22 blown-in wall insulation, R50 blown-in attic insulation, closed cell spray foam on all rim joists, high performance windows that are low E, Energy Star rated, and dual pane, tight construction and ducts, sealing holes and cracks in all of the home's envelope, efficient heating and cooling. All our HVAC equipment is 90% energy efficient, and in each home we include a programmable thermostat. Energy Star rated products such as CFL light bulbs, Bosch tankless water heaters that are 92% efficient, and can lights that are IR rated and sealed. Because Parks Edge hired a certified third-party inspector, you can have peace of mind knowing at Parks Edge your home is energy efficient. At Parks Edge, not only will you see the difference, but you'll feel the difference as well.